Abraham Martinez, and I will be showing you a 2017 stash. Please comment and subscribe and hit that like button down below. Thank you. Now, these are some phantom fireworks. All of these are legal, so don't worry, they're not illegal. All of these are fountains. I haven't seen what all of these have done, but these are nice. These are some punk. These are some sticks that you light, and they're for the kids, so you can light these instead of a lighter if you don't know how to use a lighter. These are morning glory for the young ones. Yep. I've seen this one go off. This is like it's, how do I describe it?
Can I do it?
I can't describe it, but it's really nice. It's like a fountain.
Yeah, feathers.
Yeah, it's up. Now, this is the butterfly. What is that called?
A tortoise shell.
No, it's not.
Phantom. They gonna give you something.
Butterfly flower.
Butterfly flower.
So what they
I don't know if it's flower, but it's also a fountain. Haven't seen what it does. All of these are fountain, as I said. We even have some wolf pack. And some of these are wolf pack poppers.
And we have another
we also have
box.
the same thing right here too. So hope you liked our stash for 2017. Thank you.